Our first step for making our candy cane cookies is going to be beating the butter. Now, like I said, we have 2 sticks, which is equal to half a pound of butter or 1 cup. And I'm going to just be putting them into the bowl. Ideally, you'll have taken your butter out before you start making your cookies so that the butter is room temperature. And I'm going to be using a stand mixer because for beating butter, you need a lot of energy to do this. So while it is possible for you to do it using a wooden spoon and your own muscle power, your arms are going to get tired rather quickly, particularly if your butter is a little on the cold side and isn't super soft. You can also use a handheld mixer, but the problem with that is, once again, if your butter is not entirely room temperature, then it's going to wear out the motor. And see, we're going to start a little bit slower and then get that up to speed. For something like beating butter, you have to be very careful not to overpower the motor. You don't want to burn this thing out. So you're going to get it up a little bit higher and get some more power moving, which is why it's very important to use a stand mixer. If you use a handheld mixer, it is very easy to burn that motor out. We're just going to get this to a nice creamy consistency, which you can see we are just about there. This is about the texture that you want the butter. You can see it's nice and whipped, and then we're ready to start adding in our other ingredients.